Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and it's a mini paper pumpkin box with a sunflower that's not a sunflower. Now, there's two reasons for doing that. One, because I wanted to show off the beautiful Celebrate Sunflowers, but not as a sunflower, but also because Paper Pumpkin is on its way for 1 month only in the UK and Europe. And probably the South Pacific as well, given that it's normally only in America and Canada. But it's coming on the 11th of August. It is while stocks last, and it's the Share Sunshine box. So if you do follow any American or Canadian demonstrators and you've seen the bright yellow one, and I think it was May or possibly June, it's that one, and we're getting it for 1 month only. And Paper Pumpkin is a bigger box than this, much bigger than this one. And I'm just going to move that out of the way. So it's bigger than this, but these are our mini Paper Pumpkin boxes, and I just thought it was lovely. So it's on the way, 11th of August. Okay, so here's our mini Paper Pumpkin boxes. They are food grade, so you can see that they're shiny inside. So if you have a food certificate that you can sell foodstuffs, you could put it in there, put them in here, and you can also colour the outside when the sirens aren't going past. So you just gently bend all of the score lines. It's all been done for us, which is jolly good, and I rather like it. I love making boxes though, to be fair, and you know, I don't think Stampin' Up will ever do me out of that particular job, but it's quite nice to have a box ready made. Okay, so this funny set here, where you've got, it folds over, that and this part are going to go in first. So they're going to go in like that, and that folds round and catches them in place. And this one as well. And back in 2013, when I first joined, I made a pizza box that worked in exactly the same fashion. And you can make it with just, you know, cardstock and a scoring tool. Exactly the same fashion, even down to this point here as well, where that tucks inside. It was one of my early videos. It's probably not the greatest quality, but it's there. Okay, and then I've got some paper to go on top. So this is the flowers for every season, and there really are flowers for every season. Oh, that's quite a nice one with the daisies, and we've got poinsettias there, we've got tulips and other flowers that, you know, the whole horticulturally challenged like me hasn't got a clue what they are. So they're the brighter colours, and then we've got more muted on the back, which is kind of fun. But I wanted to go stripy. Love that stripy paper. So all you do is you grab your ruler and you measure. Now I've gone edge to edge on mine. And edge to edge on mine is 14 centimetres, or we'll go centimetres. It's 5 and 9/8. No, 9/16. I don't know, it's a little bit more. So we're going to go 14 centimetres, and that's 9.5 centimetres, which is 3.5 inches. So we're going to go 14 centimetres by 9.5. Oh, just break everything. So 14 centimetres by 9.5. And the reason I've turned it that way is because I really want that bright chunk of pink there. Okay, and then some Stampin' Seal. That sounded like Stampin' Seal, Stampin' Seal. Oh, I was about to put it on there. And eyeball it on. Brilliant. Okay, let's get some Whisper White. So I'm going to chop a chunk of this off. And I'm going to get my Celebrate Sunflowers and this huge, whopper, enormous sunflower. And a big block. And some Magenta Madness, because pink, bright pink. On big stamps like this, I take the ink pad to the stamp rather than the other way around. I just know it's all covered then. Onto there. Okay, where's my wink of Stella? So let me bring you in closer. And I'm going to colour bleed all of this around. Can you see the difference? Well, I'm not sure you can. It's bleeding the colour. It's softening, and so that white isn't quite so stark. And the pink has just bled out. And I'm taking poetic license. I've no idea if there's a flower that looks like this in this colour. Creative freedom. I have some beautiful dahlias in my garden. Yeah, I've accidentally grown them. I half remember buying the bulbs, assuming that they grow from bulbs. This is how much of a green finger I really don't have. And yeah, they're gorgeous, but they're done for the season now. I managed to catch the last one. How pretty is that? Lovely. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to get my Daffodil Delight. And I want a little block. So this is an A block, I think. And I'm pressing it down to turn this into an ink pad. And what I'm going to do is I'm picking up loads of this yellow on my wink of Stella. Loads and loads and loads and loads and loads. And we're giving it a faux yellow centre. It's sort of orangey in the middle, but that's okay. And then let me find a scrap of something that I can scribble off on. Scraps of paper. No, well, I'll just, oh look, here we go, I'll do it on the edge. And you just keep wiping until your wink of Stella is clean and it's not coming out yellowy. And that's good for another day. Right. We have dies to go with this, because, you know, it's Stampin' Up and we've got great dies. So I'm going to have some fun trying to line this up. It takes me long enough when I'm not on camera. It could take me an hour now. So, and if I knew how to fast forward a video, I would, but I don't know. So, okay. And you just have to keep twisting and it suddenly slots into place. Oh, I think that bit goes there. Oh, there we go. So that has suddenly slotted in. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. Oh, for goodness sake. Zoom out, Samantha. There we go. Oh, it's really chucking it down. And my window on the other side of the office is very slightly open because, oh, I've got an air conditioning unit. Oh, no idea how excited I am by that air conditioning unit here, but it's one of those ones that you stick a tube out of the window and there is a curtain type thing that's all been velcroed to my to the window. So it means that the window's open and then you zip it closed apart from the little bit where the tube goes out. So it sounds like the, you know, sounds as though the window is open. Okay, this is the Bumblebee Gingham ribbon. I don't know that this was part of a suite as such. I think it's just a nice pretty ribbon and I really like the pretty ribbon. It's a wibbly bow. It's a bow though, it'll do. Oops. I felt it was sunshiny because, you know, the whole share sunshine thing. Right, let's get some dimensionals on the back of this. And then I'm going to finish off with a little more stamping because we need to have a greeting on it. What could you put inside here? Little sweeties, little treats. I know the Share Sunshine paper pumpkin the idea behind it was to fill it with yellow coloured sweets and treats and gifts and things, and you then share sunshine. I thought that was a genius idea. Okay, so what have we got here? Congratulations. No, I don't think that's right. I've got thanks a bunch, and I've got know you are loved. I think I might go with this one. That's that one. Oh, I haven't used it yet. So, what do I need? I need a piece that's an inch. So I'm going to trim this down and to an inch. So this is the mini guillotine that was a celebration gift for new joiners. It is available, but it's not in the online store. So I don't know if it's only available to demonstrators or if it's available for sale. I'm not sure I know the answer, but I know you can get them. Okay, let's hope I line this up. So I'm going back in with Magenta Madness. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I only went with the width. So I'm going to hack a chunk off that side. And we've got these new pick a label punches, and we've got 2 of them. This is the one in the annual catalogue, and this is the one coming in the autumn winter catalogue. So you've got banner ends, but also going the other direction. Then you've got the 2 different ends here. Oh, that's so pretty. I love them. And then just to finish off, we have enamel dots in the 5 in colours. So I'm going to pull out the Bumblebee on this one. Oh, I forgot to give my own tip. Turn it upside down and push your bone folder over, and then you don't take the epoxy top off, and it sticks nicely. And some more on the back. I'm going to put that there this time. Know that you are loved, and let's celebrate you. How cute are they? I love them. I love them. I love that they don't look like sunflowers and they look like other flowers. Does it matter if they're real or they exist in nature? Not at all. I had fun making. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.